เรียนบ้านมาค้าให้เคยอยากคนไอแจ้บ้านไอคลาให้ everyone
for me I think yes teacher it's hard to say but I think if I compare from now to the after from now to before I can say I can make the conversation with another people like don't sing in my hand or prepare something and because before I start our class I don't have a confidence to speak English with another people and when I would like to make the conversation with another people I try to sing in my hand or I try to sing about the sentence that I need to speak but now I can speak and yeah it's not fluent but I can say I can speak by not thinking about it
okay so why it is like that ហេតុអីបានជាពីមុនគិតឥឡូវឡើងគិតចឹង why
because when I have study with you and we have the group conversation we make the conversation every day before we start the class and I study more something like something vocabulary from our class and some sentence that is new for me so according to practice every day to conversation with my classmate I can speak like on thinking more like before
okay so as I can catch the main thing is practice practicing okay the more
yes teacher practice
practicing is the key